Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Suzlon Energy Limited. Many of our subscribers are asking about the analysis of this stock. So the stock is no doubt it's in a downtrend since 2007, and the stock is currently with good volume and highly bullish at the current market conditions. So it's good to go long in the stock. So let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further, because the candles are very tiny when we see in this chart, and there is no point in analyzing the stock in monthly basis. So now let's move to the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of Suzlon Energy Limited. Actually the stock is very much bullish, and look at the volumes here. The volumes are expanding and it's also good volume. The average volume is less than 25% of the current volume, and the volume is also rising, so it's a good stock to go long right now. The stock is fundamentally weak, but the technicals shows the stock has potential to move and give a fantastic returns to its investors. So let me draw the major zone that govern the stock. So this can be taken as the major zone because look at the rejection happened here. The rejection was huge and the candle is also huge. So a rejection in a huge candle always tells there is a strong set of buyers and sellers, but only one can win the race. The sellers won the race because look at the selling pressure on the resistance level. So this shows the sellers are very strong in that point of time. And look at the rejection here, the same criteria, large candle, large volume with large sellers. So it's clear that the zone is very much valid, and currently the stock, after hitting the same resistance zone more than 3 weeks, now it started moving higher. The stock currently is very much bullish, so one can go long in the stock. And the stock also gave a breakout from the pattern called inverted head and shoulder pattern. Let me draw it. So look at the inverted head and shoulder pattern. So one can expect a dip of the head of the inverted head and shoulder pattern as a target for the stock. So this can be a target for the stock, which is also the resistance. So one can take target as next resistance level, which is around 12 rupees. So this can be taken as the target for the stock. It's almost a 50% upside. So entry at current market price is fine, but one should have less exposure in the stock because the stock is very weak. The financials of the stock is very weak. So take less exposure in this stock. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and some of our stock ideas have delivered more than 100% return, and some of the stock ideas gave 50% return. So watch the playlist suggesting in the I button so that you will get the knowledge of anticipating such moves in future, and make sure you join us on Telegram so that you will get the updates of the stock ideas published. And finally, thank you for watching our videos.